Welcome to our tutorial on installing the Robotic Surfing software. In this tutorial, we'll be installing our software from start to finish. All of our other software will be very similar. So let's get started. We go to the roboticsurfing.com website, www.roboticsurfing.com. We go to the download and we hit download. In this case, we'll be downloading a 7-day free trial. The 7-day free trial is the same exact software, except once you purchase the software, then we remove the 7-day free trial limitation. So let's register for the download. Sam Hall. Email Sam Hall at roboticsurfing.com. Notice we can download any of our software here, from blog commenters to Facebook fan page finders. In this case, we'll be downloading the Facebook wall posting for multiple accounts. We hit begin downloading. Okay, it's starting. Unfortunately, we ran into a problem here because the settings on my Internet Explorer blocked this site. So to help protect your security, click here for options. So let's hit download file. Okay. Now let's run. You can save it to a directory and then run it from a directory, or you can run it directly. So it's downloading and it's getting prepared to run. Okay. We hit run. It says the publisher could not be verified. Are you sure you want to run this software? Yes. Let's run. Okay. Now we're extracting this software, so we hit next. This is the directory that is going to be extracting it to, robotic surfing /temp directory. So we hit next. The extraction was completed. We hit finish. Okay. Now we got this message box. .NET Framework 3.5 SP1 or SP2 required. Okay, it's very important that .NET Framework 3.5 SP1 or SP2 is installed on your system, or our programs will not work. And even if you have .NET Framework 3.5, if you have .NET Framework 4.0, you still need 3.5 SP1 or SP2. If you have 3.5 or lower, like 3.0 or 2.0, .NET Framework 2.0, you need 3.5 SP1 or SP2. If you do not have it on your system, then you need to follow these instructions here below. If you have Windows operating system XP, then you follow these instructions here. If you have the operating system Vista, then you follow these instructions here. And if you have Windows 7, then you follow these instructions here. You can obtain .NET Framework 3.5 SB1 from the Microsoft website here. Okay? Okay, but in this case, we have it installed on our system, so we're going to hit next. If you don't, you have to hit no, install it on your system. We have another tutorial that shows how to check to see what .NET Framework version is on your system. So in this case, we hit next because we have it on our system already. Okay, now we're going to register the software. Name, Sam Hall. The username is going to be Sam Hall, or you can pick any other username you want. Email, Sam Hall at roboticsurfing.com, and then we register. Notice it's starting to register the program. Give it a few moments, and if it was successful, then we come up with this next screen, which is the license agreement screen. We read the license agreement, make sure we agree with all the terms and conditions, and if you do accept the terms of the preceding license agreement, you select yes, and it will continue. Next screen, welcome to Robotic Surfing. Facebook poster multiple account timed is the name of the software. So whatever software you'll be installing, that name will appear right here, and that will be installed on your computer. If we agree, we hit next. The next screen, before one last attempt to make sure that everything is correct, the name of the software will appear here and the version will be installed into the following folder, and it will automatically create that folder on your computer. So this is the name, the C drive, Robotic Surfing / folder. In this case, it will be Facebook poster multiple account timed. It might be different for every different software that you install. If you agree, then we hit next. The script was successfully installed, and if it's a free trial, then it's automatically activated up to the registration 7-day trial period. But once you make a purchase, then we change your license agreement to a full license agreement, and the 7-day trial period will be extended. So everything is installed. Now we want to create a menu shortcut and a desktop shortcut. You don't really need to install a desktop shortcut if you don't want to, but it can be done by either checking or unchecking. Okay, so we hit next, and installation was completed. Hit OK. Let's check to make sure that it was installed properly. So we go to the next, and we hit all programs, and we look to see, in this case, Robotic Surfing is the folder, and we look for what we installed, which was the Facebook poster multiple count time, and let's select that, and sure enough, that software was installed properly. This ends the tutorial.